Good morning to everybody who have gathered here. My name is Lekit. I am studying in 10th standard and I am from India. My school name is GPUC Brahmavara, Udupi district, Karnataka state, and my model name is Multipurpose Accident Preventer for Guard Section. In these days, accident occurs is very high in highways and guard section. To avoid this accident, I have made a model multi-purpose accident preventer for guard section. This model comes under 5 views. First one, turn wheel gate closing system. Second one, IR sensor, dependent vehicle arrive and monitoring system. Third one, landslide or hilltop warming device. Fourth one, earthquake detection circuit or earthquake warming device. Fifth one, spring based accident absorbing system. Used equipment, gate driver circuit, IR detector circuit, landslide detector, earthquake detector, piezoceramic sensor, buzzer, cycle spring, foam sheet, motor. Now, first one is turn wheel gate closing system. In the event of an accident or a vehicle stop in the guard section, the people have to on a switch in the guard section. This means that a switch must be inserted at the beginning and end of the guard section. When switch is on, the motor start to rotate. This means that those who go upwards and those who goes downwards in the guard section must stop. The usual land barricades is that bicyclist can go unauthorized in the guard section. With this spinning cycle, people can stop unauthorized access. This method avoids the problem of an accident or a vehicle clash. Now the working of gate driver circuit. This includes the L293D motor control IC. You can give two logic input to this cycle. The motor clockwise turns on. If the 0 is dead, the motor will turn in anti-clockwise. In this model, I have done it in clockwise pattern. The motor RPM rotation per minute is only 10 RPM in the real copy. This model has it RPM 60. I used 60 RPM motor because I did not get 10 RPM motor. This circuit requires 12 volt and 5 volt power. Second one is IR sensor, dependent vehicle arrive and monitoring system. It should be installed at every turn of the road. This is fully automated vehicle detection device. In the guard section, the sensor will alert the LED indicator as soon as vehicle is on top and the bottom of the road. It will notify the vehicle on the opposite side. I have used LM358IC in this order. I have installed a infrared transmitter diode and receiver. When the vehicle moves in front of the sensor, it IR reflectance qualities out of the IC. This output the LED and turns it off. When the vehicle is on, the LED will turn on. The LED indicates those there is no vehicle in the road. landslide or hilltop warming device. When using this device in a real time, 4 feet through aluminum rod should be installed in the mud space. It should be placed 3.5 feet under the ground and half feet above the ground with a copper wire of 1 millimeter round to 2 rod of the aluminum. The wire breaks off at the time of mountaining. The buzzer turns on as soon as the wire is cut. Guard section provide forecast for vehicle going up and down. Its sound should be quiet with the siren that spans 4 to 5 kilometers away. Working of this landslide or hill topping warming device is using the relay and DC547 to this relay is applied when the logic high is applied to the base of the transistor. The base of the transistor goes to the logic low at the time the winding occurs. This causes the relay deactivate. As soon as deactivated, its connector flows into the air. Then the siren turns on. Fourth one is earthquake detection circuit or earthquake warming device. This is a transistor based circuit. It is dependent on the piezoceramic sensor. It is amplifier release on the section BC547 transistor. We put this on the top of the soil or under half feet of the soil. When an earthquake occurs, the ceramic sensor begins to vibrate. It produces a voltage. This voltage is amplified by the transistor and turned on. This gives us earthquake warming. The fifth one is spring-based accident absorbing system. When the vehicle arrives at the guard section, it spins out the control and the barrier spins. The spring applied to the barrier generates a tremendous tension and pushes the vehicle back. Due to the pulling energy, the vehicle's energy is reduced and the vehicle stops or let stand. The spring used in the model is cycle. It is the best used carbon alloy in the real time. I have applied several stands to make this model. This model is equipped with 230-volt converter. The implementation of all these 5 types in all other countries, we can avoid accident and save the people's life. Thank you for seeing this video and giving me an opportunity to participate in this event. Thank you.